88 ሺዎቹ ቴክቱ
ደንገጥ እላለሁ አይደል መጀመሪያ ስንገናኝ
and action.
I wanted to tell you something.
Tell me.
I spoke to my dad.
You did? How come?
Because you told me to.
So you trust me?
I do.
One more thing. When a girl is angry, living isn't an answer. Didn't your ex-girlfriend told you that?
No, she didn't.
If a girl is angry with no reason, that means she really, really likes him. Did you know that?
I was
በጣም ቆንጆ